Okay, good morning. Today now we're gonna start a new chapter, chapter 6, lesson 1, which talking about converting units of length. Here's the lesson. In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to convert the units of length. But before talking about the converting, let's introduce you of the two systems or the two main systems of the measurements units in the world that you use them in math and physics and the other sciences, that they are the customary and the metric units. The two main systems of measurement that they are the customary units, they are used in the United States of America, and the metric units that they are basically used in the rest of by the rest of the world. So all the other worlds they use the metric units, either except America it's used the customary units. Now what are the customary? What are the metric? Let's see now. The metric units, like what? Like the units we use them in our days. Like if you want to see the say the length of the building, you will say it's 15 meters in our world, in our countries. If you want to talk about the size of the bottle, you will say half liters. If you want to say or to talk about the weight of the box as an example, you will say it is 75 grams as an example. If you want to say about the distance from exit 4 to exit 8, you will say it's 100 kilometers. And the temperature today is 7 Celsius. So all of these units like meters, liters, grams, kilometers, Celsius, they are the metric system. We use them in our countries. But what about the United States of America? What did they use? In order to talk about the length of something, they didn't say 7 meters, they say 7 yards. They didn't say that for the bottle of water, they didn't say it's a zero 0.5 liter, it will be say it is zero 0.5 gallons as an example. If you go to your kitchen and you go look at the bottle of water that you put it in the cooler, you found that it is 19 liters or 1.8 gallons. So in the bottle of water that is in the cooler, they used both of liters and gallons. 1.8 gallons or 19 liters. So the 19 liters, it is for the metric system, the 1.8 gallons for the measurement for the customary English system. Now, for the weight, they didn't use the gram, they used the pounds. For the distance, they used the miles. If you look at the speedometer of your father's car, you will find that sometimes you have the speed is 70 kilometers per hour or 80 miles per hour. Look at them, you will find both of the units, miles and kilometers. And the last one, if they talk about the temperature, they did say the temperature today is 7 Celsius. They say, as an example, 75 Fahrenheit. So all of these units, like yards, gallons, pounds, miles, and Fahrenheit, are used to measure the length, the weight, the capacity, the distance, the temperature in the America. Now, as you know, that our book is an American curriculum, so we're gonna start with the customary units of length. We're gonna concentrate about them, how we will convert from foot to inches, from yard to inches, from yard to feet, mile to yards. What can we do? How to convert between them? As we see here, we have a table. In this table, we have a conversion factor. If I want to convert between feet to inches, you will say that each 1 foot equal 12 inches. So either you want to convert, you must go back to this table. Let's have an example now here. In a soccer game, Kyle scored a goal, or Kyle was 33 feet from the goal. So they told me that the distance, now today we're going to talk about the length, the units of length, not for the capacity, only for the length. Now they told me that the distance from his Kyle, sorry, to the goal is 33 feet. So, and then they ask me now to convert the 33 feet to yards. So I will say like this, 33 feet. How many in yards? This is the question.
So I want to tell you something. By the way, we took this 1 yard equal to 3. It's on 4. Yeah, we have. Yeah.
You took them before?
Yeah. Yeah, in grade 4 or grade 5, I think. Yeah, I think in grade 5 we took this.
Okay.
This lesson.
If you have now, if so, they ask me now that you have 33 feet and you want to find it in yards. Then the second step, you will go to the conversion factor. Where is the conversion here? That they have feet and yards. Here we have foot and inches. Here we have yard and inches. Here we have yard and feet. So I will use.
So it will be 1 yard equal to 3 feet. 1 yard equals to 3 feet.
So I will use this one. Oh my God, what happened? 1 yard equals 3 feet. So what you will do? Look at me. 1 yard, I will put it under the unit yard. And 3 feet, I will put it under the, so you will arrange them like feet under the feet and the yard under the yard. And then you will make a cross product. You will say, like what did we say before? X times 3 is 3x. And 33 times 1. 33, I mean. Then what is the number that's multiplied by x? It's a 3. You divide by 3. You divide by 3. So you will say x equals what? 33 divided by 3. 11.
11.
33 feet equals 11 yards.
Teacher, I don't understand.
What you didn't understand?
Steps. The steps.
The steps. Stop. Okay, I want you now to go with me. The second one here.
Yeah, and I didn't understand how do we know what denominator and what's the numerator and like this.
Just a minute. Let's see now here. Here we have another way or another example. Here, how many inches that the goal from Kyle. So we know that it is 33 feet. And I want to find how many inches. This is the first step. From the question, they told me that it is 33 feet. And they asked me to find it in inches. Is it clear?
1 foot equals to 12 inches.
Is it clear?
1 foot equals to 12 inches.
Teacher, yards.
Yes, clear.
Clear. Okay, so the 33 feet, how many inches? So in how many here, you don't know, so you will put it.
To yards.
Miss, no, he asked you about inches. I'm solving B. Now, this is the first step. The second one. Here, what do we have? We have feet. Look at me here. What do we have?
2 inches. Yeah.
We have feet
inches.
And inches. Is it right?
Yeah. Yes.
Please go back here. Now, where is the feet and inches? It's the first
foot
one.
and inches. Foot, 1 foot. It's not. Yeah.
You see,
up.
1 foot equal 12 inches.
Yeah.
So remember that here. That one.
We would put 33 feet.
12 inches.
Under the 33. Yes.
Now, where is the inches?
Under the inches.
Under x. You will arrange them. Inches under inches, feet under feet. Inches is 12 inches. You will put 12 here.
12 and 1.
And the 1 feet under the feet. You will write it here. You know that 1 foot because it's singular, but 2 feet because it's plural.
Yeah,
Yes.
Now then, after that,
we will 12 and divide or
now
yeah,
you will make them,
multiply.
you can make them like fractions and then you multiply them together.
Okay.
33 times 12 equals 6 times 1. Sorry, x times 1, which is x.
Mhm.
Then 33 times 12, I multiply it here. So it will be 396 inches.
Oh, I get it now.
Is it clear?
We will
Yeah.
divide, right? I mean, yeah. We will not
Is it
divide. Yeah, we. Teacher, can
No,
you
no,
repeat
Yeah,
the
it's
last
clear.
step, please?
Here you multiplied 33 with 12.
Yeah.
33 with 12 equals x times 1. And x times 1 is x.
Teacher, we
just
don't
do
have
it.
to.
Teacher,
Teacher, I want to tell you
Yeah.
something. We don't have to divide like
No, because it's
the
x.
other way.
The
Teacher,
other
wait, I
one
want to tell you
here.
something.
Here
when
you
the
how
have
teacher
3
it
times x.
equaled 1?
wait, Hisham, I'm asking a question.
Let's go back here, Malak. Let's see, go here. Here
Yeah.
now, in this one, we said 33 times 1 is 33. And
Yes.
3 times x is 3x. Now, what is the number
Yes.
that's multiplied by x?
By x, it is 1.
Here, it's a 3.
Yeah, by 3.
Yeah, so you will divide both terms by 3. So you will say x equals 33 over 3, which is
Yeah,
x.
yeah. I was just wondering because in the next one we didn't divide. But
because
now I
here we-
realized because it's 1.
Teacher, I
Exactly.
didn't understand anything. How, from where we bring the second 3?
Which second 3? What do you mean?
Oh, you said that 33 and x. From where we bring the 3?
From the question. 33 feet equals x inches.
Yeah.
From here, miss, they told me that the distance is 33 feet. How many in inches?
Top the 3 that is beside the x.
So you mean in number A? In number 1?
Yeah.
You talk about here. Type here you have 33 feet. They ask you, write 33 feet, but now in yards. You will say 33 feet. How many in yards? This is the question. You will put here x because it's unknown. Then you will go now to the customary units of length of the conversion factor. Where is the one that has yard and feet together?
Here, the
It's the
third one.
third one. Exactly. You will put 1 yard under yard and the feet under the feet.
Teacher, what if they're in different places?
What do you mean?
Like, teacher, if they get us like one, like, teacher, it can be like 1 mile, for example, in 36 inches. In one, like 26 miles equal how many inches? But they're not together.
Here it's not in your book. Okay, but what you will do, you will go by 2 steps. And like first, you will say each 1 mile is 5,280 feet. And each 1 feet is 12 inches. So you will do 2 steps in order to find how many inches.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay, now let's continue. Let's come back here. So then, what do you have to do next? You will make a cross product. 3 times 1 equals what?
33.
33. And x times 3 equals what?
3.
3x. Who's talking? Who
Perfect.
didn't understand?
Sham. I'm Sham. I'm the
It's Rafif.
Asha.
Teacher, can you let Sarah in the meeting?
Okay. Now, but after I continue. Now here, 3x equals 33. Now, 3 is multiplied by x. Is it right? So what do you have to divide here? By what?
3.
By 3. 33 divided by 3.
Teacher, I have something to help them to get the lesson very quickly. If you want to, like we have 1 mile and we want to measure how feet is it, or how many yards is it? Okay, so they should divide. But if they want to turn it to something that is bigger, like 3 feet, how many 3 feet will be as 1 mile or 1 yard? So they should multiply.
Yes, this one will work if you know which is the bigger, feet, yard, or miles. Do you have any questions now?
Also, we talk about the gallon and
No.
we talk about the gallon.
Teacher, let Sarah in.
Okay.
Yeah, she has been in the lobby for a long time. That's what she's saying.
Yeah.
Now, let's go now to metric units. The metric units that used in the other words, in the other countries, sorry, that when you want to talk or to find the length, they use the meter, the centimeter, the millimeter, the decimeter, decameter, and hectometer, and the kilometer. So how you will now convert between them? Let's go here now. I'll give you now an easier way in order to convert between them using steps like this. Sorry. Then you will start. Here is millimeter. Here is centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, and then kilometer. And then up on the stairs here, you will write 10. I think here I have a problem in touch. So here it's supposed to be 10. Now, when you want to go, here you have stairs. When you want to go upstairs, I mean, if you want to convert from centimeter to kilometer, you have to divide. And if you want to go from up to down, you have to multiply.
Teacher, my grandpa taught me this way, but I didn't understand it.
Okay, I will explain it for you now. Who are talking? Oh, who's talking?
It's me.
What's your name? I cannot see your name.
Sham.
Ah, Sham. Okay, Sham. Let's see here. See now. If I have this example here, a passenger airplane is 73.9 meters. Find the length in centimeters. Is the question. Now what you will do? You will say, I am the given is meter. I have 73.9 meter. So the given is meter. So what you will do? You will say, I am now on meter. I want to go to the centimeter. So what you will do? You will go to the decimeter and centimeter. You are on meter. You want to go down to stop at the centimeter. So you start counting after meter. What do you have after meter down? You have decimeter and centimeter. Now, do you go downward or upward?
Downward.
Downward. You go from, when you go up downward, what do you have to do? You have to multiply. I told you now, if you want to go from up to down.
Teacher, how? How you must divide? If you want to go up,
multiply.
Sure, I guess when we have to go up, we have to multiply, not to divide.
No, okay, but I am on meter. I want to go to the centimeter. So you go downward.
But if you want to go to centimeter, we should divide it.
From meter to centimeter, you have to multiply.
Yeah, Malak, from up to
But
down.
how do we multiply the meter? It will be bigger also. I don't understand.
Miss, you are on meter. You want to go to the centimeter. Okay?
Yeah.
You are here. You want to go to the centimeter. Do you go downstairs or upstairs?
Downstairs.
Downstairs. If you want to go down, what did I tell you here? What do you have to do?
Oh, okay. Okay, I got it. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Now then, after that, when I want to go, I have to go 2 steps. So it means what? 2 tens. It means 10 of 2, or it means 10 times 10 or 100. So you will go from meter to centimeter. So you will go 2 steps, which they are 10 times 10, which is 100. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now then, you will multiply 73.9 times 100. Now, that's it. As we know before, when you want to multiply, you have to go to the right. But you want to divide, you have to go to the left. Now, I want to multiply. So I have to go to the right. How many steps? 2. So, 1, 2. So it will be 7,390 centimeters. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
teacher, from where we bring 739?
From the question, this one, Master.
Okay.
All right. Answer under this
Teacher,
question.
I didn't finish.
Okay,
Teacher,
okay,
I didn't finish, please.
I'm here.
Teacher, we multiply by 100 because we multiply 10 with 10?
Yes, exactly.
Teacher, do we write all of these steps?
Yes, please. And write the stairs in your book. It helps you more than the table.
Okay. Teacher, but I think the table is easier.
Sometimes when you want to convert from decimeter to kilometer, what you will do?
Oh, okay.
I know. 70 meter. What, teacher, again?
From decimeter to kilometer. From
Yeah,
the table.
we're gonna divide.
How many? What's the number?
We're gonna divide it with the weight. With 10.
No. That's why the stairs is easier.
I mean with the.
Teacher,
Teacher, but I can't write the stairs. I don't have place.
I wrote it
Right.
up beside the table.
Teacher, I mean, we should divide it with 100.
10,000.
10,000?
Yes.
Wait, I will try to draw it on another page.
Did you finish writing now?
No, wait.
Okay.
I'm
Nisham,
doing
did
the
you
stairs.
now?
Yes, teacher, I understand it.
CMDM MDAM. Done.
Where do we write this?
As you want.
Okay.
Now, the second part of the question. Ask you about here. What is the length in kilometers? So, the 73.9 meter, they asked me to write it in kilometer. This is the question, okay? I will repeat. They asked me what is the length in kilometers. Let's come back here. 73.9 meter, how many in kilometer? Now, where I am in meter. I want to go to the kilometer. Well, I have to go upward or downward?
Down.
How down? I am on meter. I want to go to kilometer.
Teacher, you said
How
kilometer is down.
Where's kilometer is down? Kilometer is up, yes. It's here.
Yeah.
Up. Teacher, like this,
No, you have
we
to
will
We
divide.
need to go down. We need to go down because you said that we need to go to the kilometer. To the kilometer.
Oh, where's the kilometer? Is it down?
No.
It's centimeter, not cm, centimeter. It's kilometers, km. It's up.
Okay.
So you have to go from the meter to the kilometer. So do you have to go upward or downward?
Up.
Upward. Do you have to divide or multiply?
Divide.
Divide. So you will divide.
Divide.
Now, how many steps do I have to go? Remember, don't count the meter. Count all the steps after the meter. So what do we have now? We have decameter, hectometer, and kilometer. So how many tens do we
13.
have?
13.
No, don't add them, multiply them. They are 10 times 10 times 10. So they are what? 1,000. Take as the power of tens. So like 10 times 10 times 10.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have to divide by 1,000. Now, before we stop, when you want to divide, you have to go to the left or to go to the right?
To the right.
No, when you want to multiply, go to the right.
Left.
But you want to divide, go to the left. Remember any of these two letters. Multiply to the right, divide to the left. Now, so I have to go to the left. How many digits? Or how many spaces?
3.
How many? 3, bravo, because I have 3 zeros for the 1,000. So now, I'm here. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 0.0739 kilometer. Is it clear?
Yeah. It's clear, teacher. Thank you.
Wait, I didn't finish writing.
Okay, I'm waiting you, wallahi. I will
Teacher,
wait you.
where
Yes.
can we write?
As you want, bring any paper, bring a sticky note. Keep your notebook with you as you want.
Teacher, why did we divide it by 1,000?
Because you are on meter, you want to go to the kilometer. So if you are on meter, you want to visit the kilometer. Do you have to go upstairs or downstairs?
Upstairs.
When you go
Teacher, why
upstairs,
it's telling me that the period finished from 10 minutes?
you have to divide. It's because I entered the 30 minutes, not 45. That's it.
Teacher, so
still
like
3 minutes
if
we
we divide, teacher, like if we divide by 1,000 and we multiply, we have to multiply it by 100.
No. According where are you and where we have to go. If you want to go from meter, as an example.
So we have to count it
meter.
up to
See,
and there are
you have to
3
go from
zeros.
meter to
So we have to
hectometer.
put the 3 zeros.
No, miss, just a minute. If you are on meter, you want to go to the hectometer, you will go 2 steps only. So you multiply by 100. So according to the question, not every time by 100 or divide by 1,000.
So teacher, if they want us to go to HM, we will jump just one time and then it will be 100.
You jump 2 times, it will be 100, yes.
Okay.
10 times 10 equals 100. You finish writing? Kindly tell me, please.
Yes.
Teacher, wait just a minute, teacher. Just a second, please.
Did you finish now? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's do number 1 and 2 here. Number 1. 3 miles. I want to find it in how many yards? 3 miles. How many yards? Rafif, can you help me?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Rafif. Here, which conversion unit?
1 mile.
أيوة.
1 mile and equals to 1,760.
Bravo. 1 mile, 1,760 yards. And
Yeah.
here you have 1 mile. Then,
Then we
cross
will
product. X times 1.
multiply.
Bravo. X times 1.
X 1 equals 1x.
X. Bravo. And 3 times 1,760 equals what?
Teacher, the period finished.
Okay, miss. 3 times 0.
Yes.
0.
3
3
times 0.
times
3 times 0 equals 0.
3 times 7.
3
21.
times
Plus,
7 equals
okay, 3 times 1.
3 times 1
3
equals 6.
5.
5.
So the answer is 5,280
180.
yards.
yards, yeah.
Okay. Now the second one. The 43 decimeter, I want to convert it to hectometer. Yalla, go with me now to the stairs here. I am on decimeter.
Finished.
I want to convert to the hectometer. Where's the decimeter here? Here is the decimeter.
It's
right?
1 hectometer. 1
the
hectometer
hectometer.
equals to 100 meters.
I am in the decimeter. I want to go to the hectometer.
Ah, decimeter to okay.
How many steps? Who can tell me?
Yes, from what to what?
Four steps.
From the decimeter
4.
to the hectometer.
Yeah,
From the decimeter to the hectometer. I will jump out from here. 1, 2, 3. So I will divide or multiply by 1,000. Divide, bro. So 43 divide by 1,000. When you divide, you will go to the left or to the right?
to the right.
Divide to
To the left.
left.
To the left.
So how many steps? 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna be 0.43 hectometer. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, if you finish writing, you can leave the meeting.
Okay. This I'm gonna write them.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Bye, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.